All right, just making a quick little video here. That is a brand new tire. The chain was recently lubricated. I think this is carbureted. I added this tool bag on the back. It's good for hauling all kinds of stuff. And it also collapses down. I like that. This does have, I put 15 miles on it since I had it serviced a long time. All right, and let's see here. Pretty good shape. The only thing that's broken on it, I know, is this right here. It still works. I just broke the tip of it off and I laid it down on a trail. The only time I took it on a trail. All right. Let's see if I can get her to fire up here. Right above this is the manual choke. And let's see. Total of 38.58 on it. There she is. I do like this bag. It sinks down to nothing. But I can also look it up like that and put a helmet in it. Oh well. That's my little beast. I'll let her go so I can pay off the doctor bill.